Hello friends! In this video, I will show you how to create and send newsletters and set autoresponders for your leads. When you click on the Send Emails in the left menu bar, it gives you two options in the drop-down. The first one is Newsletter, and second one is Autoresponder. If you want to send a newsletter to your leads, click on it. Then, click on Create Newsletter option. You need to choose which type of editor you want to use to create your newsletter. Incline Editor allows you to create a newsletter with templates, whereas the Plain Text Editor offers you the ability to create a text-based newsletter. If you select Inline Editor, you will be redirected to the page where you need to enter details of your newsletter, such as message name, subject, personalization tags, from name, from email, and reply email. Choose SMTP through which you want to send this newsletter. After the completion of all entries, click Next. Here you need to select the template which you want to use for your newsletter. Once you select the template, it will redirect you to a page where you can edit the image, text, and links of this template. If you need to edit anything, you just need to click on it and the editor will pop up. You can see how easily I am editing the template. All the templates are fully editable. At the top left, you can attach a file and send a test email. You can hide the sections of the template. You can see the preview of the template with the help of Preview button. You can save the template as a draft by giving the template name and click on Next. You will reach the lead selection page where you can select the lists to whom you want to send the newsletter. You can select the list to whom you want to send the newsletter. You can exclude leads if you want with the help of Exclude Leads and Suppression List option. You can select the leads tag-wise as well. If you select any tag and include tag section, this newsletter will be delivered to all the leads of all the lists which are associated with that tag. You can exclude the tags with the help of Exclude Tags option. After your selection, click on Next. On the next page, you can set the sending options for this newsletter. If you want to send newsletter immediately, click on Send. If you want to save as a draft, click on Save to Draft option. Also, you can schedule it to send later. Once you click on Send, your newsletter will be mailed to your leads. Let's talk about the other way to create a newsletter with Plain Text Editor. When you select the Plain Text Editor, you will be redirected to a page where you need to enter details of your newsletter, such as message name, subject, personalization tags, from name, from email, and reply email. Choose SMTP. Once you are done with all entries, click Next. a new page will come up where you can type a text message for your leads. This is a complete text editor where you can create your newsletter however you want. You even have access to source code and edit stuff there too. At the top left, you will be able to attach a file and send a test email. You can set personalizations such as date of birth, phone number, etc. in your mail. You can see the preview of the message with the help of Preview button. You can save the message as a draft by giving the template name and click on Next. You will reach the lead selection page where you can select the lists to whom you want to send the newsletter and select the lead of your choice. After your selection, click on Next. On the next page, you can set the sending options for this newsletter. If you want Send Newsletter immediately, click on Send. If you want to save as a draft, click on Save the Draft option to send it later. Once you click on Send, your newsletter will be mailed to your leads. This was all about newsletters. Now, let's talk about another option, Autoresponder. Here, you can set a predefined message for your leads, which will be sent automatically on predefined action. To create a new autoresponder, click on this button. You reach a page where you need to select the editor as we did in the case of newsletters. I am going to create an autoresponder quickly to show you the process with the plain text editor. I am following the same steps as I did during the creation of newsletter. On this page, you can select one or more lists with which you want to attach this autoresponder. Whenever any new lead is added to this list, it will automatically get the autoresponder message. Click Next. Here you can decide if you want to send this email immediately when a new lead gets into the particular list, or if you want to set 1, 2, 3, or any other number of days after signing up. Also, you can decide on which days of the week you want this message to be sent. Click on Set Autoresponder option to activate, or you can save it as a draft. Alright friends, this was all about sending emails. I believe this was helpful. Thank